Hi, this is Scott, and I started using Restore about 4 or 5 years ago. I feel great. The people that I've referred to use Restore feel great. There's a noticeable difference, and it increases over about the first 5 months of use. The outcome from Restore is just better general rest. In my sleep and ending up getting better rest at the end of every cycle is perfect. I'd recommend it for that because most of the people I know have fairly busy schedules, don't get enough sleep, and this is no magic bullet, but it's the best thing that you can do to supplement it. I trust Dr. Tennant Products because I've been using them for years and they work great. The number one benefit of using Restore is that I get better sleep, I get more consistent energy, and I recover faster. I knew Dr. Tennant's products were right for me when I saw the name. What surprised me the most about Restore was that it worked. I've taken supplements for 40 years, and sometimes there's a marginal gain, but this was noticeable in about 4 days. The best thing about customer service is that they're always ahead of me. I try to give myself a reminder to what day the product's supposed to arrive, and it's usually there the day that I'm giving myself the reminder. So that's the best delivery recommendation I could give. I'd recommend Restore to anyone because people pay so little attention to that part of their game, the rest and recovery part. That's the only supplement I've ever used that actually fits that bill, and it's not just a bunch of stuff thrown together.